It's my pleasure and my honor to be here. And it's true, I'm running FENS at the moment, but with the help of many other great and leading scientists in Europe. And this activity, this is the CAJAL Advanced Neuroscience Program, was one of the main goals of my presidency to make it run. We really want it because this is something which we thought was missing in the European scenario. So basically, we used to go to the States to do these very intense hands-on courses, and we thought it was the time, just the time, to set something special here in Europe for our students, and also to attract international friends and to share ideas and to learn new and advanced technologies and aspects of our neuroscience. And this is a FENS activity, but we merge with another great organization, which is the International Brain Organization, which is IBRO. So, and I really, this is a big, big challenge for the next 5 years. It's a big investment for FENS and for IBRO, and it is so good that we could have found 2 partners which are especially great, like the Bordeaux Neurocampus here, because the Bordeaux Neurocampus really generated a fantastic spot where we can make these dreams possible. So I'm really, really honored to be here today, and I'm particularly grateful to Matthijs because he went a little bit beyond the rules and he asked me to come in anyway, although I shouldn't stay out. But for me, it's such a great pleasure to stay and to see how it is running that really, I'm really pleased to be. And I hope we can spend a very nice morning together. So this is all I wanted to say, and I thank Laurent for the great introduction. I'm trying to do something in the fields of Synapse, and what I would like to do today, this morning, and I think you didn't have much as far as I understood from the organizers in these 2 weeks of course, is just tackling the synapse from another perspective. So we start to see the dysfunction of the synapse and whether this dysfunction of the synapse can be instrumental for us to understand not the late phases of neurodegenerative disease when we do not have the synapse any longer, but the very early phases of the disease. And we try to ask some relevant question like, is the dysfunction one of the pillars of the key event of the early pathogenesis of the disease? So can we tackle this dysfunction to get a cure and to get a target?